don't play games with my heart. Yeah. How does she do that? Like, hey guys, this is Celeste and welcome back. I hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm going to be doing a reaction. So I got requested to react to KSI's new song. It's with like Anne Marie and like someone else, but I'm going to be reacting to it. And if in the slightest chance KSI is watching this, hi, I'm excited to hear. I've listened to Lighter and other songs and I really love them. The beat's so cool. And yeah, if you're watching this, thank you for reacting to this. Let's get right into it. I already know I'm gonna like this. Oh my gosh. The background, like the da-da-da-da, reminds me of La La by Sam Smith. But this, oh my god, I love this. She looks so good. Okay, I'm not a big fan of rap songs at all, but this, it just goes so well with it. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, the toilet paper. Don't play games with my heart. Yeah. How does she do that? Like, I don't know. I probably failed that. You know those comments where it's like 0% drugs, 0% violence, 0% like 0% girl, just 100% talent. Yeah, even though there's like the, you know what I mean, guys. It's not even, oh, okay, so good. See, I would dance right now if I could. Yes, Anne Marie. Bye. Listen. He suits this so well. If you're watching this, so good. Play games with my heart, yeah. The green looks really cool, like the colors. I just realized that right now because of the pig. Why did I not realize that before? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was really good. Goodness, KSI is being featured, like KSI is being like featured or like in songs that are like really good. Like they can be mainstream, like everything. Like this is really good. Like I'm not even being sarcastic or like lying. Like I'm actually serious. I love it so much. Anne Marie, girl, beautiful. Amazing. KSI, amazing. The style, just everything matches. And Digital Farm Animals, of course. The beat, everything. I love these types of songs, guys. If you have songs like this, please tell them. Please recommend them to me. Like, please tell them to me because I love those types of songs. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, Gosh, this makes me just want to dance. Like, thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. KSI, again, if he's watching this right now, thanks for watching my video. But thank you guys all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say